So you can either get the digital planner and print it out and cut it and punch it by yourself, or you can get the physical copy from my shop. This is one of them. This is the paperback in color, and it's A5 sized, and it will ship directly to you. So it's printed in full color, and the paperback also, it lays pretty flat if you just kind of push it down a little bit. And you know, that will just save you a ton of time. It's a lot easier. You just have to pay for that plus shipping. It's around the same price though when you think about it. So if you guys want a copy of the planner, I have it in the paperback version, a hardbound version, and also a coil bound version. So the coil bound would probably would most resemble an actual planner. The whole planner is a system for getting things done, setting your goals, tracking your projects, keeping your reference lists, planning out your quarters for your, breaking down your goals, then breaking it down monthly, and keeping track of your daily habits on a monthly basis, and then scheduling your weeks with weekly goals, and then daily planning as well. So you have your top 3, and then you schedule the hours of your day, and then you can also plan your projects. There's lots of space to map out your projects. And then if you need more, there's lots of list pages. These pages fit the small post-it notes, and these ones fit the large post-it notes. And then you have more lists and some more notes pages, some brain dumping pages, and to-do list pages, and some more mind maps and dot grid paper. So you can find the physical copy in my shop. You can also get the digital version if you'd prefer it in a binder like this. Hey guys, so I already started printing or cutting my Make It Happen planner system. This is version 2, and I'm going to be putting it inside of this A5 planner. I actually printed this on half letter size just to save paper. So it's going to be smaller than A5 in my ring bound planner. But I printed the booklet spread version, and the booklet spread version, so when you print it out, you just have to fold it in half and all the pages will be in order. So it's important when you're cutting that you make sure that they are still in order. Okay, so the way I do it is just I take about between 5 and 10 pieces of paper. And I just use this paper cutter. You just line it up on this thin little wire. Line up the lines on the crop marks. And then you just trim it. And then what I do here is I put this side on it. I just flip it over and put it in that stack. And then the side on the right side, I flip it over and put it in this stack. And then I'm just going to keep doing that until I'm done with the whole stack. Okay, now that I'm all done, what I'm going to do now is just flip the front half on top of the second half. So you'll see that this is November and this is November. So So when you flip it on top of each other, it's a complete planner. And there we go. So that is the entire planner. And I'm going to punch 6 holes in it. If you have a little punch, it's gonna take forever. So I'm using the Cinch. I have the measurements. I'll put the video on how to use it for 6-ring binders. So these are the measurements for A5, personal, and pocket. So I'm just gonna do A5. And basically, let's just make sure we pull out all the numbers. So it says 1, 4, and 11 at 1 3/4. So we're gonna put it right there. And I'm just gonna do a test one first before I start punching. So 1, 4, and 11. Okay. And then you're gonna move it to 2 inches. And you're gonna do 2, 9, 12. And there we go. Oh, I don't know if you could see, but yeah. So that's how you do 6 hole punches with the Cinch. I'm going to be doing the whole planner, and then yeah. So I'm gonna put it back at 1 3/4. And I'm actually gonna keep it at this setting. Instead of doing 6 holes at once, I'm just gonna do the 1, 4, and 11 first. So I am going to start from the beginning, and I'm just going to punch. The cool thing about the Cinch is you can do like 20 pages or so. So right now we only have 3 holes, but I'm just going to put it off to the side. So this is how much I'm doing at a time. Let's see if it can do that. Yeah, that was pretty easy. Oh no. Nope, that didn't go all the way. There we go. Back, and we're going to change the settings to 2 inches, and then 2, 9, and 12. And while I'm doing that, just to keep things in order, I'm just going to be putting it inside of my planner. Just like so. And the whole entire planner fits in this A5 size binder. So there we go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks so much for watching.